He's like, stop that. Can you hurry?
I've already taken the picture.
You're not going to take another one?
I'm videoing it now.
Oh.
Jacob.
Don't you like baby? Don't you like baby? Don't push her off you. Don't you like baby? No. Look, Skylar. Look at Skylar. You better give her kisses. She come to play with you. She is just holding up so good. She's very strong. Yep, she's a strong little monkey. Go out of here. Go out of here. You might hear her scream. That's so funny. Get her going really and get her really excited. She'll scream really, really loud. It's hilarious. Just because she likes to hear herself, scream. But Mama said she got really loud one day and gave her a headache because she screamed so loud. That's funny. Go. Go. Did you put it up there?
Yes.
But what? Smoke. Out of here. Oh.
No, I look horrible. It's okay.
Look.
The baby's missing.
Yay. Yay. Oh. You're ready to get up. Oh, she's going to stand on you. She's going to stand on you. Oh. Hey, push her off. You're fine. Look at baby. Look at baby Jacob. You hold her. Look, now you can hold her. You can put her in your arms. Oh, I don't know what to do. You can hold her, Bubba. She's itty bitty. She's itty bitty. Like, I want that camera. He's all cheesing now. Wait till she starts chasing you. No, you be going crazy after chasing you. Cheese? Can cheese?
Do it, Jacob.
Cheese. Look at her.
Do it. Cheese.
She's just bouncing away.
Cheese.
She loves to
Show me those teeth.
Yay. She's very strong. We got two bounces, one with the horse and one with the piano. She always pushes the piano piece. So does the dad take care of her?
There's Smokey.
No. No. You can't take him nowhere. No, I mean, he's not. What custody? Or what does? He does, because I'm before.
Is that funny, Jake?
He can do it for the state. He's not smart enough to do all that. All I have to do is have some paperwork and they'll start getting child support from him. Child support paperwork. Huh? He can miss doing all of it. I'm surprised the state already hadn't done it. No. She's in the system, right?
Jacob.
She's in the system when she has a social security card, right? Or a birth certificate, which one? You go down there and you can...
Say bye, Jake.
Are you getting
bye.
Stuff?
Say bye.
She's in the system.
Okay, whatever.